Hi to everyone. My name is Reddy Prasanna from the College of Annamacharya Institute of Technology and Sciences, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Tirupati. Today, we will discuss about the topic of what are the components is present in a transmission line. The principal elements of a high voltage transmission lines are conductor, crosswires, pylons, ground wires, insulators, and protective devices. All are the components of the transmission line. First one, you can go through the one by one the component. Okay. First one, conductors. From the diagram, they shows the conductors. These conductors are transmission lines which carry electric power from sending end to receiving end. Most commonly, these used conductor materials are include copper, aluminum, and ACSR. ACSR is aluminum conductor, steel reinforced. Choice of any material depends on local requirement. Whatever the local requirement is there, at that time we have to choose the of any material. Obviously, mostly we can use ACSR material. Next, supporters. The towers which carry conductors, also known as a poles and pylons. Pylons will be represents the supporters. From the diagram, the pylon will be shows. These are the supporters. Generally, three types of poles are exist: wooden, steel, and RCC poles. Next, insulators. An insulator which is attached above the cross arm. Before we have to discuss the insulators, I will show the cross arm. Cross arms are responsible for holding the conductors. Okay, these crowns are responsible for holding the conductors. The conductors never hanging in the air. These cross arms are to hold these conductors. Insulators are tied to cross arms and carrying conductors. From the diagram, you can show that one. Insulators are used to support conductors and connect them with the lines as well as to provide insulation between pylon and conductors. There are four types of the insulators is there: suspension type, shackle type, pin type, and strain insulators. Protective relay. So many protective devices is there, such as a ground wires, lightning arresters, circuit breakers, relays, etc. These protective relays are detects the faults and initiates the operation of the circuit breaker to isolate the whatever the defective element is there from the rest of the system. Okay. This is a relay diagram. Okay. Here NO will be represents normally open, COM will be represents common, NC will be represents closed. COM always connected to this, it is the moving part of the switch. NC normally closed. COM is connected to this when the relay coil is normally closed. When the COM will be connected to NO, it will be normally open. COM is connected to this when the relay coil is on. These are all the elements of the transmission line. Here also step up and step down transformers is also there at the sending end and receiving ends respectively. The use of transformers permits power to be transmitted at high efficiency. Thank you to everyone.